Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, the application was unable to start correctly with the error code 0xc00007b, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, you're going to go on to these three links. I'm going to put all three of these links into the description of the video. First, you're going to download this DirectX file from the Microsoft website, and once you're done downloading it, install it, and after you're done installing it, now you're going to download this Visual C++ redist softwares. You'll have to extract all of these redist files, and after you're done extracting them, just open up this install all.bat file. Once you open it, it will install all of them one by one. Lastly, you're going to download this D3D12 file. Don't worry, this file is not harmful. You're just going to click onto these three dots, click keep, right click on it, click show in folder, right click on it, click copy or cut, and then paste it into your GTA's directory. So right here. And once you do that, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play GTA 5, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.